So, Miss, you won the toss. You won the toss? Okay. What do you want now? Batting or bowling? Bowling. Miss wants bowling. Stand the first period. Clapping. Claws. Bird with claws. Claws.
Have a great assembly, all of you guys. Stand the precious name of Allah, Rahman, Rahim, not for me, for the entire universe. And stand up, like, today my photo is just like that. Birds with a clothes. Birds with a clothes. Yes, of course. That same birds with a clothes. What's the meaning of this topic? The simply mean is the birds with the clothes. When in the clothes there is a one bird. Like in the clothes there will be bird. Like it's not look good. What? Now that when you are standing, when you will go for the fight. Like in your clothes there will be one star. Like any clothes will be there. Like on that time, on that same time, like it will not look good when you will fight in front of your enemy. On the time when you are having some game to fight from someone, on that time that same mean. Like now that you cannot fight with that same person. Like there are parts within your clothes that's not look good. One now you are having power. Like on that time now you will not having that same power to fight with that one. Now you will not having that same power. One like again that people like everyone. Or that I should give you the example of any people. Like when when you are having any bad quality, everybody will take out the same bad quality. Really, you are like that. Now in this that you are having this bad quality, directly they will take out this that same the quality that the birds in a cloth. The same like it is on a pupil or some other thing. Like it will directly be same. Like now everybody will think you cannot fight with someone. Everybody will take out that same mistake, or you cannot fight one. On that time when it will also get pain. Why? Everybody is here to take out the mistake, not to do any other thing. Now like I am standing, when I am having any bad quality, like that the parts of the cloth that it's my bad quality, okay? When somebody is having this bad quality, on that time they cannot fight in front of someone. Like now I am having power that I can fight, but still now people, somebody is standing in front of me, they start to take out my mistakes. Really, that was the mistake. When the time when I have improved my mistake, on that time they will take out directly, I can give them answer. But like if that was my mistake, but still I did not improve, on that time then directly I will be lower in front of them. Thank you, that's all.
To believe on yourself. You have to hunger. You have to patience. If you have no patience, so people are taking one bad quality in you. You can lose your hope. You can lose your hope. You can fall down. But if you have a belief on your trainer, if you have a belief on your master who trained you, who made you act like that, you can stand. When you are on the floor, the one who can make you stand, you can believe on them. You can believe on him, then you can fight. Whether the people are taking 100 bad qualities on you, but you have a believe on one person who gives you the one good thing, you can fight and you can win them.
About that teacher, really. Now your teacher is there when you like respect on that. He give you one good quality that the people will take out your 100 bad qualities that will not affect on you. Means that's the thing. But the thing is that on the time when your own person will take out your mistake, how much you will feel bad, that will be on that time. On that time you will feel it. When like you are having any part on your cloth, on that time you will feel really how much pain I am having. Like on that time, which person will get this kind of words? Who are having love for someone who improved them, who are having this all the pain, who they has worked for their teacher, who they are having these all the qualities, who they speak for the real one. But nothing like the crowd is sitting, but here only 5 students can be ready, or the 4 student can be that they are speaking. And every simple student, they on their clothes, why they are not having any power, they did not speak something for the person to improve them. That's why I am saying, which person will get this same one? Which person will get? The person who work for the teacher, the person who hard work for, who fight for his teacher, the person who stand for his teacher to take out the world, the person who is take shouting one and he's not being silent for as like other students. He's not being like his mouth is not being shut in front of his own pupil. Like he's that person cannot be that he's being every time silent. In a saying that I am over here. Like by saying that I am not over here. By like showing your confidence. Like the which person will show who is having burnt on their clothes, who is having some pain for fight. The person when they are having any pain, on that time they will speak. That why they will speak, why they are feeling that pain for that teacher.
Last question. Awesome.
Mr. is regretful of his enemies that yeah, in my organization, how much I will feel bad when the enemy will come upon my shoulder and they will blame me. You know, Mr. I must say it is the words of the same master who trained me. A man with quality is a man with enemies. And if you are regretful on your enemies, you should not be, because your master will give you qualities. That's why you have 1,000 enemies. And if you would qualityless, you would not have any enemies, and your friends won't even tap your shoulder. And the second thing you are saying that a bird is looking good without the claws. You know, you are giving the example as if the man is without a hand, he cannot hunt. And as if you are saying the bird without the claws. So bird cannot hunt unless he has the claws and a brave mentality. As a hawk stays on the peak of the mountain, but the other rest of the bird stays beneath the mountain. That's it.
But you have said this already. Miss, the thing is that when now you are standing, like the person who came by your shoulder towards your teacher, the person like that you are saying the people will keep enemy on that time when they are having some qualities or some like thing. Like on that time that your enemies are coming towards us. Miss, the enemies are coming too many. Like without your quality, the enemy will be there. Why? Like mostly in the world really, when we will stand, when we will fight, the enemy will come directly. When we will speak truth for someone, enemies will come directly. When like now I am speaking for someone that he is a truth person, the enemies will come. When like I am speaking for a fake person and I am not speaking. Like means truth we can speak somewhere, but like fakeness or the lie we can speak everywhere. That same I am giving the example. Like but you are not understanding on that time. Really? That these all the things when I was speaking, that you understand it. Like now that everybody can speak it. Like I am this, I was that, but here everybody will speak. They all know really who teach them, but outside who is that they should speak. Like the person who don't know why they are not telling to them, why they are not writing something. That's the also mistake. Like when they are not writing, when they are not speaking on that time, but they are here to speak. That's why I am saying about these all the things. Like when you are having power, should speak in front of them who they are your enemies. Don't speak in front of them who they are your friends, but you don't know they are your enemy or the friend. Speak in front of them also, you also don't know who they are your enemies. Speak in front of them that they will also be fighting their heart. The fire will burn again at the same time.